Bonanza 36 Whiskey Papa Buffalo approach. Bonanza 36 Whiskey Papa, if you can hear the transmission, ident.
He's still talking to the New York on 2432.
Bonanza 36 Whiskey Papa Buffalo approach.
Buffalo approach, Bonanza 6 Whiskey Papa.
Bonanza 36 Whiskey Papa Buffalo approach, altimeter 3032. Understanding of emergency, landing Buffalo.
Affirmative.
Bonanza 6 Whiskey Papa Roger. I'm just going to maintain 4,000. What's the nature of emergency?
I'm parsed very low power on my engine, so I want to stay high as long as I can.
6 Whiskey Papa Roger, descend at your discretion. With 6 Whiskey Papa, how much fuel do you have remaining on board in time, and number of people on board in full?
Okay, I've got 5 hours of fuel, just one on board.
6 Whiskey Papa, Roger, thank you. There's a 36 Whiskey Papa, you can expect visual approach straight in for runway 32.
6 Whiskey Papa, copy. And can you give me the bases?
6 Whiskey Papa, my last base report was at 5,500. The 6 Whiskey Papa, are you picking up any icing?
Negative.
Thank you. The 6 Whiskey Papa, is your engine I set?
I don't, no, negative.
Roger.
And can you give me how far Buffalo is?
The 6 Whiskey Papa, you're 15 miles.
Anything closer?
The 6 Whiskey Papa, I've got 10 miles of Buffalo Airfield, uncontrolled field, 9 Golf 0. And the 6 Whiskey Papa, 9 Golf 0 has a runway 624, and it's 2,600 feet long.
Okay, and what are the vectors for that? Right now I'm making power, so I'm still going for Buffalo.
And the 6 Whiskey Papa is on the heading direct, on the way to Buffalo.
6 Whiskey Papa, copy.
And the 6 Whiskey Papa, you don't hold any altitude there above 2,600?
Negative.
Approach, Brickyard 4738, information Yankee out of 15.5 for 11,000, was trying to slow down as much as possible to give you some space with him.
Brickyard 4738, Buffalo approach, altimeter 3032, turn right heading 360, vector sequencing, we're just going to maintain 7,000.
360, 7,000, 4738.
And how many miles is 6 Whiskey Papa for Buffalo now?
6 Whiskey Papa, still 11 miles to Buffalo, the 9 Golf 0 is 7.1.
Yeah, I don't know if I'm going to make that one either.
6 Whiskey Papa, there's a throughway heading to your right there. You safe flight conditions?
Visual, yes.
Okay, do you see the throughway off your right there?
Negative.
Continue straight ahead to go for 9 Golf 0.
I see a 2-lane road going straight.
And 6 Whiskey Papa, turn right 020, and you should pick up the throughway here in the next 2-3 miles. 020 on the heading. Whiskey Papa, do you have anything in sight that you can touch it down the field or in the road? Anything right in front of you, you can set it down. Do you see any roads there?
Again, I've got this ring one. I'm going to have to put it on the field.
6 Whiskey Papa, ready? Are you able to, just to We got 6 weeks profits in there for landing assured. Three 6 weeks profit, ready to contact us. Oh, 171, do you know where Knox Farm State Park is?
Affirmative.
Yeah, it's somewhere around there. Billings Park, Knox State Park, and I guess it's East Aurora maybe?
171, familiar with Knox. We're heading that way.
Okay, yeah, we're looking somewhere just north of 20A, west of the 400.
North of 20A, west of 400, near Knox. Troy 171.
Here's 1 for Did you copy all that?
Roger, we got that copy.
Take that 4738, turn out, heading 320.
320, we got the field inside if you need us out of your hair for 4738.
Appreciate that, Victor 4738 for the visual approach from a 2-3 connect tower. Have a good day, thanks for the patience.
Bird for the visual, 2-3, no worries, you have a good one.
171, the last known was 075 and just about 7.9 miles on the heading was a Bonanza.
No, we got Knox in there right now. We're about 4 minutes out. We're observing a large clump of black smoke from that area. I'm not sure if it's related, but kind of plotting in that area. And Buffalo approach, straight ahead of us at the 12 o'clock is also a black plume of smoke.
And that was from last year's 1 for Delta while you're getting the smoke?
All we can see at this point till we get closer.
Okay, if you need to descend, that's fine. Just stay above 2,500, Series 1 for Delta. If you can maintain VFR at above 2,500, it would be great.
At above 2,500.
Troy 171, when you're able to pick up a better geographic location, let me know because we got the sheriff and the fire department waiting.
Hey, Troy 171, Roger. Still showing 3 minutes out from the location.
Series 1 for Delta, if you get a better intersection exactly where this guy is, let me know so we can let the sheriff know.
We will. Troy 171 is going to be 1,600 below if we keep the Cirrus above.
Troy 171, thank you. Also, your discretion Cirrus is going to be above you at 25 looking as well.
Troy 171, Roger. Buffalo approach, Cirrus 901 for Delta. It does look like there is flames, and it does look like there is some sort of fire engines at the scene.
Cirrus 1 Delta, you said there are fire engines there already?
See flashing lights on it. We're circling above it right now. It's sort of right next to a stream, not far from the Elma Blue Water Tower.
Okay, by the Elma Blue Water Tower, thank you. Cirrus 1 for Delta, you got A-Star helicopter traffic below you, orbiting 1,400. Do you have him in sight?
Negative on that.
Cirrus 1 for Delta, need you.
I do have him. He's right below me.
1,400 feet. 171, do you have the Cirrus in sight?
Troy 171 has the Cirrus in sight. We have fire vehicles on location here. It's going to be 100 Stewart Court, and that's off of Quaker Road.
100 Stewart Court off Quaker Road.
Affirmative, and I've got two police